twos.
This is how to do child's pose. So, you are going to start with your knees out wide. If you have really tight hips, you may not be able to open them as much as possible. So they may not be all the way out to the corners of the mat, but that's okay. Big toes will come to touch in the back here. First, we are going to send our hips back to our heels. Now, if you have really tight hips, you may notice that your glutes may not touch the back of the heels, and that's okay. You just go as far as you can. Start to walk your hands forward, just inch by inch, and then allow your head to fall down to the mat. Start to sink your hips down and back just a little bit more. And then with each inhale, you lengthen your arms. And each exhale, you send those hips back to the heels. Thinking about elongating your spine here, coming into child's pose is a great reset stretch. And if this is too much for you, you can always bring your knees together and then lower down as well. So depending on if your knees are sore or your hips are too tight, always take modifications and see what feels best for you. But always remember that everyone is different, and you can always work towards anything that you put your mind to.